ZTE is the first company to bring a smartphone with Android Go to the United States. As detected by the Android police, ZTE's Tempo Go is now available for purchase online for $79.99. The phone is not much to look at. It has a 5-inch screen with low resolution, 480x854, large frames, only 1 GB of RAM and a small 8 GB of storage. But that's all expected. Android Go is designed for phones with this type of limited hardware. It occupies less space and works better than Android would use in phones with small amounts of RAM. That does not necessarily mean it will work well, but it should improve the experience you would get when buying such an affordable phone. ZTE was one of the first 6 companies to announce phones with Android Go last month. While most of them are not destined for the US ZTE may be the first, but Alcatel also announced plans to launch its first Android Go phone.